Okay, so this is a tutorial video on how to design this simple product flyer using Canva. Okay, so let's start off immediately. Open your Canva, right? Click on the plus sign. Choose your image size. I will be using a square. Let's say 1080 by 1080. Alright, so that's it. That's one thing about Canva. With it can, especially when the network is not that strong, it can waste time a bit. Pull this thing down. All right, so this is it. Remember what we are going to design. So the first thing to do is to create a black background. Click on the plus sign, scroll over to background. This is the background I'm looking for, but I will teach you how to just type black background, then choose this one. Right, that's it. Click on the plus sign again, go to elements, look for shapes, search for shapes, then go for a square shape. Right, okay, so make it big. All right, so now you've made it big. Change the color to black. Okay, so now go to transparency, reduce the transparency to, let's say, 80%. Okay, 70, make it 80%. All right, so this is good. All right, so now go over to shapes again. Choose something like a square. Yeah, a square can go, right. Turn it. First of all, change the color of that square. Change it to a bright yellow. Make it bigger. Make it big. Make it big. Make it big. So that it can, yeah, place it at exactly half of the Canva design. Right, we've gotten almost what we are looking for. Maybe increase it a little bit. Yeah, so this is what we are looking for. All right, that's it. Now get your the shoes we are going to use. I already sent the shoes. All right, so this is it. Okay, so that's it. Okay, even before uploading these shoes, please go to go to elements, search for lines, choose the dot line, change the color to white. Change the color to white. All right, okay, then roll it over, make it long a bit, then spin it so that just see what I'm doing. Okay, so bring it close a bit. Okay, so that is it. Then you can then place your shoes. Your shoes should be on top. All right, so this is it. Okay, then the next thing to do is to start adding all the stuffs around. First of all, we'll be making use of shapes a lot. Go for search for that search for shapes as well. Make this one yellow. So that's it. Then twist it a bit, make it a little bit bigger. All right, then you can duplicate it, then change that duplicate, change it to white, then make the white a little bit smaller and then keep it on top. Okay, maybe this can come forward a bit. Okay, all right. So another thing we'll add is search for, go to element, right? Then search for rectangle, curved rectangle. You'll see this. Choose the red, change it to black. So reduce the color, I mean reduce the size, right? Okay, so the next thing we'll do, okay, then still go to element. We'll be making use of these elements a lot. Type dots. When you type dots, all the dots will appear. I will choose, most of them are paid. We'll get one that is free. Okay, choose this one, change the color to yellow, then reduce it a bit. Okay, all right, so this is it. Then now the next thing is to just start adding all the tests. You remember the tests here, okay, special collection and all of that. So you start adding all of them, right? When you click on test, click this test can waste and click add subheading, edit the test and add whatever you want to add. Okay, first of all we'll try shop now. The color should be white in color. Okay, we'll still come back to it. Okay, the font we'll use for most of this design is called Bebas. Search for, go to the search where you see Bebas new. Alright, so that is what we're going to make use of. The bold Bebas, right? Exactly. Then increase for shop now, increase the font. Yeah, increase it to 40. Then we'll still copy it, that's duplicate, change the color to black, the one that you've duplicated. Okay, so here we write special collection. So for the white background you have special, then rotate it so that it will match, increase the size to 70. Okay, no, okay, let's leave it at 66. Here we'll leave it at 66. Then duplicate it again. That one you duplicate will change it to collection. Okay, see, we're almost done with this, so our design is almost ready. So what would the last information we are going to add is you just go to test and add the last information, which is contact us. Contact us, then write your phone number. You can choose any phone number you want. This is just a sample. Okay, just okay. All right, so the font will be railway. For contact us, the font will be railway. Search for railway. Just go, when you go to font, search for, go to the thing, search space and type railway, then reduce the font size, make it 27. Yeah, the font size for contact us should be 27. Then remember what we said about alignment. The railway, the contact us, the line, can you see the line? The line should match with the age of special collection. All right, and also it should match with shop now. Vertically it should match with special collection. Horizontally it should match with shop now. You can see those dot lines. So that's for the sake of alignment, so that it will appear neat. So this is just a sample. Once you are done, you just click on download, and your stuff will be downloaded immediately. So that is just it.